Welcome to my video on real estate investing. What is your wealth stage? Hi, Tom here. I was in the same position as you, and honestly, I thought real estate investing was for people with a lot of money or invest. Then I discovered this investing and education program that completely changed my mind about real estate. It's changed my life. In a moment, I'm going to give you a link to the program and you can check it out yourself. Here are the 5 financial health stages you can reach in your lifetime. As a beginner, you're probably going to be in one of the first 3 stages, and that's okay. You can grow your wealth and financial health at any stage and move up to the next stage. Stage 1, survival. This is where most of the world is at any given point in time. Most of the people on the planet are just trying to survive. They work a job where they get paid in return for the number of hours they put in and/or the results they produce. They are paid for this job or career usually once a week or once every 2 weeks. Sometimes pay comes monthly. Whenever the paychecks roll in, they're used to pay for food, a roof over the person's head, and necessities like electricity. They make money to pay bills that allow them to survive, possibly with some minor level of comfort and excess. Don't worry if this is where you are. We'll show you some ways to move up the wealth stage ladder so that you can accumulate the money needed for real estate investments. Stage 2, survival plus stability. You are a survivalist where financial health is concerned. We just talked about the characteristics of this financial stage in a person's life. The difference here is that you begin to create some stability. Your income starts to surpass the bills which are necessary to simply allow you to survive. This means you are able to pay off personal debts and put a couple of dollars away. Most people in this wealth stage gradually add money to a savings account held at a financial institution. They have a few extra dollars in their checking accounts each month, which gives them needed peace of mind and less financial stress. Stage 3, the money saver. This financial stage is a step up from the previous stability stage. The person that has up to now enjoyed stability realizes she's saving up a nice chunk of change, and instead of it languishing in a savings account where it's earning basically nothing, she wants to put it to work. She begins to develop the mindset that her money should be working as hard as she is. Stage 4, financial growth stage. This is where you have a substantial amount of money to invest. You still follow the smart financial practices of the saver, and you want to see maximum growth. And you understand that real estate can provide exponential growth over time. This is the way many real estate investors turn $50,000 into $500,000 or $1 million or even more. When you begin to compile a respectable amount of savings, you reinvest your interest and profits. This turns on the powerful ability of compounding, where you can see some really incredible growth. Stage 5, income producing, financial independence. This is where so many people long to be. They see the wealthy living off their investment income and nothing more. They don't have to work for a living. If the economy crashes and the world changes in some drastic way, the people enjoying an income-producing wealth stage are protected. They have created passive income streams that produce a regular income they can depend on. This is in the form of dividends, interest, monthly payouts from IRAs and insurance accounts, and other smart investments they have made. Look out for the next video in this series. Real estate investing, choosing the right strategy for your wealth stage. To start your real estate investing journey, go now to m-i-c.net/MHBJ. If this helped you, please give this video a thumbs up. To get notifications and new content, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for instant notifications.